We are doing an oil change of Vauxhall Zafira 2013 Zafira Vauxhall. The first thing is you need to find out where the filter is. This is an oil filter, so we need to replace. We need to take this out, and then this needs to be open, and that's a dipstick. So first open this one, and then we'll check where the outlet is so that we can drain the oil.
रिकॉर्ड नहीं है इसको ये दिखा साइज दिखा
So this is number, what's the number? That's number 24. So number 24 fits to get the oil filter, and this is it. Much easy to take this out, and after this we'll follow the next step.
चल देगा
Okay, so just make sure it doesn't leak, and we take it out very quickly and just use the bin here. That's it, just dump it here. Yeah, and then we just, so that's oil filter is out.
तो बता हम लोगों ने इसको खोला इसको बहुत टाइट था बी केयरफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम
Yeah. Okay. So here we got a different nut. So it's like
कितने में हमको 24 एम पे
this, and not that much space underneath. So this nut has to come out so that you can drain your oil. We got a bucket here, and then this is almost, make sure it goes in a bucket. There you go. Finally, you need to screw this up so that, okay, nahi. So you need to tighten this screw, make sure it's all clean, and if you see there is an arrow, so you tight clockwise, and to open it's anti-clockwise. So make sure you follow this sign and make sure it's all neat and clean, and then we will follow the next steps. Finally we got the cap, and then there's a washer. We need to change this and clean up a little bit so that you don't have any dust inside. It's all done, and we got the new filter. Make sure it clips inside. Okay, yeah, so it's all tightened, fresh, and we'll put it back again. So this is DIY engine oil change of Vauxhall Zafira 2013 onwards.
ये दिखा ये है
And then this spanner, use this one. What's the number? 23, I think. We'll just let you know after. And then we can replace the oil now. We'll put a fresh oil, and then the filter, the actual filter is Bosch P7006. You can get it from Euro Car Parts or any other automobile shop. And the oil is Mobil Super 2005 W30 semi-synthetic engine oil, 5 liter. And you just need to make sure that either it takes 4 liters or 4.5. Make sure you go on Eurocar Part website or any other website to check the engine oil capacity for the engine oil. Every model has a different engine oil capacity.
इसको बोलना नेक्स्ट टाइम हमने एयर फिल्टर कर लिया है, नेक्स्ट टाइम एयर फिल्टर भी दिखाएंगे।
Oh,
ये एयर फिल्टर तो कर दिया ना,
oil change हो गया ना, ये बहुत है. Okay.
नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग एयर फिल्टर का दिखाएंगे.
Make sure it's all properly tight, neat and clean. The oil change is done. So simple recap, that's the oil filter. We need to take this out, open this one, change your oil filter. That's the oil filter P7006 Bosch or any other company you can use.
Okay.
So the last part is we need to check if we have enough oil, and we can see it doesn't measure, it's totally neat and clean, but then there's no spot of oil. We'll put this back, let the engine run for a few minutes, and then we'll check this again. So let's check the dipstick, and let's clean this up first. And we just want to make sure that we put the right quantity of oil, which is 4.5 liters. So if you can see, it's on maximum level, 4.5 liters. This was engine oil change of Vauxhall Zafira 2017 onwards. Make sure you have a right filter and right engine oil according to your car,
All good, yeah.
and it's all good. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share with others. Till then, see you.